So I ordered this bag from Revolve and I didn't really pay any attention to the dimensions. When it came today, I was shocked. This bag is huge, but it turns out that the doll kit from BEIS is the perfect size for all of my toiletries and makeup. So I'm going to show you exactly what I can fit into this bag, as well as all the features. So keep watching. It's no secret that I love BEIS and I enjoy their travel items. They're just well thought out, and as someone who travels, I enjoy the details that this brand puts in all of their products. So the BEIS drop kit contains a few different very helpful features. The bottom compartment is waterproof, and I'll show you that in a minute. There's a snap loop handle for ease, so this can attach to anything, and it's quite secure, as you can tell from my struggle. It's made of this faux leather material, and it snaps onto a bag, a door, a hook. You can use that for multi-purpose, although I do question the strength of the snap based on how full or how heavy the items in the bag are. It comes with a zip toothbrush compartment for separation, which is awesome. There's a wire framed opening for keeping shape, and that's it. I can show you that real quick. So like the BEIS weekender bags, the doll kit has one of those wire framed doctor bag openings, which is really awesome, really convenient for accessing every corner of the bag. This way you don't have to dump things out. You can just stick your hand in there and you can see everything that's in the bag. Now, the one thing about having this type of closure is that when you actually close up the bag, you kind of lose some of the space that it looks like you have when the bag is wide open. So the items that I have in the bag right now pretty much take up the space in the bag. You can probably fit a few smaller items in here, but for the most part, this is kind of it. This is perfect for me, but if you're the type of person to pack more than I would, then you might find it a little bit difficult to utilize this bag. But like I said, it is huge, and I personally think this is a lot of stuff, so I don't know what else you would be packing. So I'm going to go through the items that I keep in this compartment of the bag, and then I'll show you the bottom compartment. So I'm just going to reach right in and pull things out. Let's start with my toothpaste. You can fit a travel size toothpaste tube. You can also definitely fit a larger tube of toothpaste in here as well. This is the zippered toothbrush compartment, and I didn't want to show you a toothbrush for the demonstration purpose, so I actually just shoved my razor in here. This compartment can easily fit a second toothbrush if you wanted to. That's not a problem. The one thing about this bag is I wish this upper compartment was also waterproof. The bottom compartment is, but this is the compartment where I can fit all of my products. So I wish this was also waterproof in case of spills, and I actually will be, when I actually pack this to go somewhere, I will be taking these items and putting them in Ziploc bags. It's kind of a waste, but you know, whatever. This is my facial cleanser in a little travel bottle, and we have my morning and nighttime toner in their typical containers. If you're curious about which items I use for my skincare, check out my skincare routine. If it's not posted by now, when it is posted, I will link it in the cards as well as in the description down below. We've got my acne treatment gel. We've got 2 serums by The Ordinary. We've got some sunscreen, very important. You could also probably fit a small tube of sunscreen for your body in here as well. I got Poopery, guys. When you travel with a partner, I highly recommend this. It's good for everybody. Just maintains relationships, friendships, all those things. So we got some of that. We got some lotion, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, great for your body as well as your face, your hands, all that fun stuff. Some deodorant and a bar of soap. Now, I normally don't travel with my soap in a bar. I usually put it in a soap dish, but the soap dish is about this size. So that is the compartment. We've got a little pocket here to the side, which is great for sticking your razor if you actually use the toothbrush compartment for your toothbrush. This is water resistant material. However, I think it would only last a few minutes before product starts soaking into the lining. So again, I would be putting this stuff in Ziploc bags just to protect the fabric. So this is everything that I shoved in there, and that is all that I need for skincare and body care, toiletries in general. If I'm washing my hair on a trip, because I'm a black girl, I don't have a 2-second hair routine. It takes me several hours. So I would pack a whole separate kit with all my hair stuff. Maybe I'd throw shampoo in here, but I would probably have a whole separate bag with all of my hair products. So anyways, that is what is in the top compartment, and let me unzip the bottom compartment and show you what's in there. So if I didn't give you an overview of the bag before, here it is. This is the way that the bag is organized. You've got your top section, which is kind of like a little triangle, and then the bottom section. And this section is so much bigger than I thought it would be. I'm just stunned. So this is the waterproof material, and I can actually try to put these products in here just to give you an idea of if it would even work. But I chose to put my makeup in this section for a couple reasons. Number one, everything laid pretty nicely. Number two, this is a good portion to put your brushes in, because if they're dirty, you can easily wipe this section clean. So in this section, I have my Sephora mini color switch, eyebrow products, mascara. We've got a ton of makeup or eyeshadow brushes, because that is the only makeup that I really wear that requires brushes. We've also got lip liner and an eyebrow spoolie. Got some eyeliner in here as well. Eyeshadow primer potion, 2 MAC lipsticks, my Fenty Slipshine lipstick, and my Fenty lip gloss. We've got my Laneige lip sleeping mask, which could actually probably go in the upper compartment. And we've got my MAC 6 eyeshadow pro palette and my Morphe Day Slayer palette. That is everything that fits in the drop kit. This compartment definitely has room, so let me see if I can fit all this stuff in here. Alright folks, my love for this bag has grown 3 times today, like the Grinch's heart, because everything that is a potential spill hazard can fit perfectly into this section. I love it. I chose to omit the soap, deodorant, and toothpaste. Actually, the toothpaste probably would go in here, but not in the box. But I chose to eliminate these 2 items just because they're not going to explode in my bag, and my razor obviously would go in the main compartment anyways. If I organize my bag this way, this gives me so much more room in the top section for other things. So my deodorant can fit here, my soap can fit here, but I can also probably fit hair products in here as well. Those would definitely have to be wrapped up in plastic or in a Ziploc bag, but with all my makeup in here, I could definitely fit a few more items, making this bag even more ideal for me. If I really packed this right, I could probably fit everything in here perfectly. Now the only issue obviously is that I have several glass containers, so for me that would just mean taking fabric to wrap these in. I'd probably just put everything in a sock and pack it so that there's plastic items in between everything so that the glass items aren't actually touching, and that way we can prevent things from breaking. And I'd also be careful about how I packed it in my suitcase as well. So I would pack it with clothing around it just to protect the glass. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. If I had any hair product bottles, I would show you, but I don't have any travel size hair products right now, so I can't really show you what everything would look like. So for now, this is the best I can do. Hopefully, if you were eyeing the BEIS Dop Kit, this gives you a good idea of what can actually fit in this bag. I know it's hard to find proper videos, so I hope that this one has been helpful. If you have any questions about this bag, please leave it in the comment box down below and I'd be more than happy to answer. If there are any bags that you've been eyeing that you want to see a review on, let me know. I am just shopping away, so feed my addiction if you'd like. I will leave a playlist in the description as well as in the cart with other BEIS items that I have reviewed. And other than that, thanks for watching and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Bye.